If you're coming from Python, Java, or C++, JavaScript's approach to inheritance is going to feel a little different. That's because JavaScript uses something called prototypical inheritance. Here's the key idea. In most languages, classes come first and objects are created from them. In JavaScript, it's the other way around. Objects come first. Classes were actually added to JavaScript much later, and under the hood, they're just a cleaner way of writing what prototypes were already doing. Every object in JavaScript has a prototype. Think of it as a parent object. If you look for a property on an object and it doesn't exist, JavaScript automatically walks up to the prototype to find it. And if it's not there either, it keeps walking up the chain until it hits null. Classes in JavaScript are essentially syntactic sugar on top of this. They don't change how inheritance actually works, they just make it easier to read and write. So when you write a class that extends another class, JavaScript is still using prototypes behind the scenes. The syntax just looks familiar. Same engine, cleaner interface. That's JavaScript classes.